In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Freshsales. Exporting is a simple way to move your CRM information into a spreadsheet for analysis, reporting, backups, or sharing with other teams. I'll walk you through the exact flow and add tips to help you get clean, usable data the first time. Start by navigating to the module that holds the records you want to take out. In Freshsales, modules are the major sections like leads, contacts, and deals. Head to the correct one so your export captures the right type of data. Take a moment to confirm you're in the appropriate list view within that module. The columns you see on screen don't limit what you can export, but being in the right place ensures you're focused on the correct records. Next, look for the three-dot More menu in the module's toolbar and choose Export. This option typically appears toward the top right when you're viewing the list of records. If you're on a single record's detail page, switch back to the list view to find it. If you don't see export, it may be due to permissions set by your admin, so check with your team if needed. When the export dialog opens, you'll choose your file format and the fields to include. CSV is a lightweight, universal format that works well with spreadsheets, data tools, and imports into other systems. Excel is great if you prefer working directly in that environment and want to keep things neatly structured out of the box. For large data sets or when integrating with analytics tools, CSV is usually the most compatible choice. Now review the available fields. You can typically include both standard fields like name, email, and stage, as well as any custom fields your organization has added. Keep your selection focused on what you actually need. This makes your file smaller, cleaner, and faster to process. If you plan to update or re-import data later, consider including unique identifiers so you can match records reliably. Once your format and fields are set, click Export. Freshsales will prepare the file and prompt a download in your browser. For very large exports, the system may take a bit longer. Let it finish rather than navigating away. After the download completes, open the file in your spreadsheet application and quickly scan the headers and a few rows to confirm everything looks correct. Save the file to a secure location and handle any personal or confidential data in line with your organization's policies. That's it. Go to the right module, use the More menu to export, choose your format and fields, and click Export. You're ready to turn your CRM data into actionable insights.